Hi guys, my name is Trishan Kumar son of Narajan. Today I would like to discuss about the Newton-Raphson method of numerical method part 2. So let's start now. Okay, these are the topics to discuss. Today I already discussed about the Newton-Raphson method. Okay, now we will focus about the numerical problem and homework problem. So let's begin. Okay, for a question asking, find the real root of the equation H minus 2 equal to 0 correct to 3 decimal place using Newton-Raphson method. Okay, so the solution is, so the H is so H root. Okay, so please remember, okay, for the solution is, so let y equal to, so f h equal to, so h root minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, to find initial root, we have to guess. Okay, we have to guess. So f0, so what? So 0 times e0 root minus 2 equal to how much? So 0 times e minus 2. Okay, so equal to negative 2. If become negative 2, then less than 0. Okay, for f1 is how much? So 1 times e1 root minus 2, how much? Okay, answer is 0.71821. 718281. Okay, bigger than 0. So is 0.7, then bigger than 0. So you know what? You know how? So bigger than 0, so 0.000 lah. So 0.7 is bigger than 0.00. Okay, so the fh is equal to, so h root minus 2. Okay, so f intersection h is, so h root plus h, so equal to, so h root times h plus 1. So this is the solution. Okay. Okay, for the first iteration, h0 equal to 1. Okay, so h0 equal to 1. So f with h0 is 0.718281. So f intersection h0 equal to, so h root times h plus 1 equal to, so e1 root times 1 plus 1, how much? Okay, so answer is 5.43656. 5.43656. Okay, so next one. So h1 equal to, so h0. So minus h0 minus, so f times h0 divided by s intersection h0. So equal to, so 1 h0 how much? 1. Okay, 1 minus so f0. Okay, so above 1, the of 1 is 0.718281, and the below is 5.43656. Okay, so equal to how much? So please calculate it. Okay, so the total answer is 0.867879. Okay, 0.867879. Okay, so if the number okay, sorry, so 7879. So these are the answers. So okay, for the second iteration, okay, so h1 equal to how much? 0.867879. Okay, for f with h1 is how much? So h root minus 2. So equal to how much? Okay, so 0.067163. Okay, so f intersection h1 how much? So h times h plus 1 how much? 4.449014. Okay, so h2 equal to, so h2 equal to h1 minus, so f with h1 and f intersection h1 how much? So 0.867879 minus, so 0.067163, and the below one 4.449014. So how much? Okay, 0.067163 4.449014. Okay, so total is 0.852782. So these are the answers in the second iteration. These are the number in the second iteration. Okay. Okay, and the third iteration, for the third iteration, adds to how much? 0.852782. Okay, f with s2 is, okay, h root minus 2 equal to how much? So h minus 0.852782. Minus 2 how much? Put down 0.852782 e times 0.852782 minus. Actually, the total answer is 7. Okay, so 0.0 to 0.000770. So 77080. Okay, so as our, okay, and for the intersection one, so so h plus 1 how much? Root 8.852782, so times 0.852782 plus 1. Okay, for answer A, 4.346931. Okay, so let's calculate the h3. So h3 equals to h2 minus, so f with h2, so that's h2 and h intersection h2. Okay, please calculate this one. Okay, so the total is 0.85260. So these are the answer in the third iteration. Okay, and the fourth iteration, so h3 how much? So 0.85260. Okay, for f with h3 how much? So h root minus 2 how much? Okay, the answer is negative 0.000003572. Okay, and the intersection one is S3 what? So H plus 1, how much? Okay, so total answer is 4.345713. Okay, let's calculate for the H4. So H4 is H3, so minus H3 intersection H3. So equal to how much? So 0.85260 minus, so 0.0000357 and the below one 4.345713. How much? 3.85260 minus 3.3570 minus 4.3457. Okay, so the total is 0.8526000. Okay, 60 lah. So these are the same one lah. So 85200 and the next one 85260. So this in third iteration and fourth iteration. So same number lah. Okay. Hence the root of the equation is 0.85260. So correct up to 4 decimal place. So hence the root of the equation is 0.85260. So correct up to 4 decimal place. So these are the final answer lah. Okay, now for the homework problem, so all of the guys, so please take note certainly for the homework problem. So please try to get the final answer in this question. For the question asking for find the root of the equation 4 is seen as my equal to 1 near 0.2 by Newton-Raphson method. Correct to 3 decimal place. So the solution is here. So please take note certainly. So these are the some example of the some usable repeater. So these are the example lah. Example. Okay, that's all for my video. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.